Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security, and what we got today here is a brand new 2021 Ford Transit Custom. Literally just customer just bought this vehicle, and obviously these cars are stolen left, right and center because of their high value of being a transport vehicle. So thieves can easily steal these new cars. Unfortunately, if the problem you've got is when you unlock and lock your vehicle, your key gives out a radio frequency. Now this radio frequency can be copied, and it can be relayed to open your car door and disarm your system. What we fit on this car, on this van, sorry, is what's called the StarLine S9 smart alarm system. Now the way this system works is, I'm going to just demonstrate it to you now. When a thief clones your key, or they break your window, they force entry into your vehicle, it will set off an alarm, and also it will call you on your phone and notify you. So I'm just going to show you how the system works. So let me pretend that I'm a thief and I'll clone your key. I'll go in your vehicle. Right, the vehicle's unlocked, and after a few seconds, as you can hear, the indicators are flashing, the alarm system goes off. And also what will happen is they will not be able to start the car as well. So if they try to clone your key through the OBD port, they will not be able to start the vehicle. See, as you can see, I'm turning the key, the vehicle is not starting. And also what happens is you get a phone call come through, and if I just answer that,
door open, enter command code
as
or
you heard,
dial
it says
0
the door has been opened,
command list.
and alerting you to the fact that someone's trying to steal your car. You also get an app with this system. I'm just going to show you how to disarm it. Alright, so now I got the key, sorry, the tag, and with this tag I've got, I'm able to disarm the system. As you heard right there, the system is disarmed. So basically you need to carry this tag with you when you get in your vehicle, so the system disarms and doesn't set the alarm off. So yeah, this is the StarLine tag. You also get a full phone app to control the system as well, which I'm just going to show you now. So this is the StarLine app, as you can see. So it gives you full status of your vehicle, shows you data and stuff like that. You can also control the alarm system to unlock and lock, and using service commands. And you also get full tracking, so you can track your vehicle and see where it is. You can also configure various sensor settings. So you got motion sensor, you got tilt sensor, you got shock sensors. You can adjust the sensitivity of them to your liking, and it will set the alarm off depending on if any of those get set off, and it will also call your phone notifying you those sensors has gone off as well. So yeah, if you want this smart alarm system installed on your vehicle, give us a call on 0208 554 5554, or even come visit us at Ilford Gansil IG26QA. Thanks for watching guys, and make sure to like and subscribe to our videos. Thank you.